Good morning, guys. Today is January 14. All VFD, variable frequency drives and motor soft starters are now positioned to their places. So VFDs and soft starters, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are now positioned. So this is to update you guys on the setup and the positioning of these VFDs, medium voltage frequency drives, variable frequency drives, and soft starters. They are rated at 710 kilowatt at 4,160 volts. Typical to 710 kilowatts and 4,160 volts rated. So the motor driven from these variable frequency drives are rated at 126 amperes each. So these motors, pump motors, are rated at 4,160 volts, 126 amps, 3-phase, and at 4,160 volts. That is motor pump number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These motor pumps are medium voltage motor pumps. And the driver for these motors are this one, the variable frequency drives and the soft starters combined. Okay, this is to update you guys for today, and we have parallel works besides from this setup. The VFDs, which are installed by the OMIAC supplier, and we have a parallel works on the low voltage switch gear. So low voltage switch gear here, and the VFD number 7 and number 8. These were set up and positioned days ago, so no problem on this. The balance for this work is the cable looping towards the LVSG going to the AAF. See, this is the AAF panels guy, meaning Advanced Active Filter panel. So from LVSG, the power source will be filtered. This is the filter for the power source before it reaches to the controller, variable frequency drive controller, and then that goes to the motor pump number 7 and motor pump number 7 and motor pump number 8. So this is just a reference for you guys, and we still have a balanced cable pulling on this. For now, we are at the low voltage automatic transfer switch side. Now these cables are coming from the generator side and as well as from the transformer C side. So there are 4 sets of THHN 250 mm squared cable going to the automatic transfer switch. So there are two sides of the automatic transfer switch. The incoming, which is emergency or the incoming from the generator, and the incoming from the normal or coming from Meralco. Normal means Meralco. Normal power means Meralco power. While emergency power means coming from genset. Okay? So, we have a balance of harnessing the cable now. We are paralleling works. Harnessing of cable, and then after this, measuring it to its length, and then cut, and then terminate with lugs. 250 squared lugs. Okay? So, the end side of that cable, guys, these are the inside of that cable coming from the low voltage automatic transfer switch. This is our low voltage generator, which has a capacity of 250 kilowatt, 4,160 volts, and see, it is ready for setting up for inspection. We will conduct a test in this genset without the power line. So this will be subjected to alignment test, vibration test. All mechanical stress will be undergone on this genset. And this is the breaker, the generator air circuit breaker going to the low voltage ATS. So this is the inside of that, guys, from the low voltage ATS going to the low voltage automatic transfer switch, and the other one ACB, the air circuit breaker from the substation. So this is the air circuit breaker from the substation, that one, and that is the transformer C. From transformer C going to that air circuit breaker, and from that air circuit breaker going to the low voltage ATS. As I said, this is the normal incomer, or the normal incoming normal towards low voltage automatic transfer switch. While a while ago, the generator circuit, air circuit breaker is for the emergency, incoming emergency, which is generator side, going also to the low voltage automatic transfer switch. So these are the parallel works we have today, guys. While we have an ongoing grounding system which we lack. So now the grounding system for the body of this transformer, because this will be our priority to be energized. It's okay now. So it is already exothermic welding. Okay, and then we have a parallel works also at the medium voltage switch gear. So we have a parallel works for that here. Ongoing bus bar installation for the medium voltage switch gear. So these are the bus bars, insulated bus bars, to be installed inside the medium voltage switch gears.
Mga bolt niyan, sir, meron.
So
Yung ano, yung nandito.
this is our
Yung sinama natin.
these are our parallel works, guys. Medium voltage switch gear, low voltage switch gears, and harnessing of cable and termination of cables. We still have a balance of looping on the VFD, and at the same time the positioning and final layout of the variable frequency drives. Now we have provided now the roughing ins for the communication cable going to the MVSG. This pipe, the communication will run through this pipe going to the PLC room at the OPS room. So that pipe will be going to the guardhouse, and this pipe is going to the battery power supply, and the pipe there is going to the power panel substation. That panel substation will supply power source heaters going to neutral grounding, resistors, and power supply for the battery. Okay, so this is to update you guys on for the day, and this is just an information reference and sort of a report that the balance of works we still have. The update on the pumping station, still have a balance because we lack signal cables here. I might forget to tell my boss that we lack signal cables layouting on this side. But the Profibus cable is ready for penetration to the motorized operating bulbs. So the home run for that is already going to the PLC room. So PLC panel. So no problem with that communication cable. From 1 to 8 completed, ready for penetration. What we lack is the hardwire, the signal cable, which we have to order for now, because on this line only pump number 7 was completed, but still lacking for the local control panel. The emergency panel is located here, and the indicator for run and stop. This is the LCP for the motor pump. In case there is an emergency, the operator can immediately push the button here, and it will stop locally. He can locally stop any abnormality on this line. So we lack signal cable, guys. So like this 3-core. So this is for the information of my boss, immediate boss. Okay. So for now, guys, this is just to update for you on the day, and still to be continued. A lot of work still to do, especially on the cable pulling on the instrumentation side, and as well as the final fine-tuning of the termination of the terminals on the motors. Just a little bit of fine-tuning. So just an update for you guys, and letting you know for the day and for the rest of the days to come, to update us, just to be aware of what what needs to do. Still ongoing, and maybe we have omitted something, and then this report somehow catch up. It will catch up, and it will remind us what are the things we need to do. Okay, so bye for now, guys, and more to come. Thank you.